Good morning, Miss Devi. So today we will start the teacher evaluation. We start from science, from math first. Okay, Miss, can you discuss for a little bit about percentage? Okay, Miss. Part B, Miss. Part B. Yes. Okay, what's question, Miss? Pardon, Miss? 10/15. So actually, it should be 20/30. 10/10. You make it to 15, right? So this is number 8, right? Part A. Which fraction is bigger? So you think which one is bigger? Between 2/3 and 3/5. So, so the question is actually okay. Just continue. Just continue. Okay, Miss. I mean, how did you get? How is the way you get 2/3 become the bigger? Mm. Okay, Mrs. Okay, you can skip that one. No, it not. I mean skip, but yeah, you already answered right. How about part B? Order the fractions from smallest to largest and explain how you know. Not wrong actually, but maybe for the explanation is not really clear. Only that cannot miss. Okay, miss. Number two. Okay. Okay, miss. And you also can multiply it, right? You can also multiply. I mean, okay. It is. It's okay. Number three, miss. Part B, miss. Right. Number four, miss. Okay, miss. So the answer is one. Okay, miss. Next, miss. Okay, I think it's enough, Miss, for math, and then we continue to Matematika. Untuk bagian pilihan berganda ini bisa dijelaskan sedikit, Miss, untuk pilihan berganda mereka untuk mengerjakan apa di sini, Miss? Oke, Miss. Untuk pilihan berganda bisa di skip, Miss. Kita lanjutkan ke isian. Untuk piktogram, Miss, bagian hot. Untuk nomor 3, Miss. Oke, Miss. Untuk nomor 5, Miss. Ini juga berarti di sini satu simbol ini diubah menjadi baik, Miss. Baik, Miss. Sekarang now we turn to science, Miss. Okay, Miss. Wait, Miss. So before we continue, how are planets different from the sun? The difference between planets and sun. The difference between planets and sun. So why do the planets move around the sun? Okay, Miss. Now we can continue to hot question.
Milky Way.
Number two, Miss.
Ptolemy Arius said that Earth is the center of the solar system, while the Copernicus said that the Sun is the center of the solar system. And then why was Copernicus is important? Because it can help the scientists to understand that planets move around the sun. How did Galileo help prove Copernicus' ideas? Galileo used the telescope and observed that Venus moved around the sun, and the telescope can help the scientists to see all objects or another planet more clearly. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one spin. How does this affect our daily activities? It creates a cycle, days and nights, and it can help people organize their activities. And after that, why do different places of Earth experience day and night? Because different part of the Earth, the basic of the sun will have the different time. How might this change time of the day of night? Because if the Earth spins much faster, it, it can cause the day and night become shorter. So it can affect to the people they feel more difficult to adjust their daily activity.
Okay, Miss. Thank you for your explanation about homework. Now we turn to book, and please explain about math. So the material here is about compare and order fraction.
Look back, K and KA and B are of the same size. Ron takes one slice from KA and Dino takes one slice from KA. Who take a bigger slice of cake? So Ron take the bigger slice of cake than Dino because Ron take one quarter while Dino take one over eight. One over six. And then here will your answer change before he divides his cake into equal piece? No. Ron still the biggest take the biggest cake than Dina because when we divide the cake into eight slices, so Ron will take two over eight.
2 over 8, and then for Rina,
For Dina still the same 1/6.
1 over 6. 2 over 8. Wait, Miss. So compare. Your Roy divides his cake into 6 equal pieces. Will your answer change?
There is no change. Ron still take the bigger slice of cake than Dina. Because 2/8 is bigger than 1/6.
Okay, Miss.
And then here also on page 404, they explain about how to find a way to make to order or to compare the fraction by multiplying the denominator and the numerator. Easy and Eddie has the same cake they each ate same cake. Easy had 3/4 or her cake left, and Eddie had 5/8 of his cake left. How can they compare the person value? So here 3/4, 3/4, and 5/8. So one over here, which one I will tell to them which denominator is the biggest, 1 or 8. So they will change them. They will take 8. 8 is the biggest denominator. So they need to change this, become the denominator 8. So 4 times a number can make 8. So 4 times 2, if the denominator becomes 2, of course the numerator also becomes 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So from here we can know which one is the biggest fraction. 6/8 is bigger than 5/8.
Okay, Miss. So you will explain this to the student how to find and
To find the biggest denominator to make it easier to understand.
so the way is
So 5/8 is smaller than 6/8. And
oh,
this will order 4/5, 1/5, and 3/10. So here they need to find also which denominator is bigger. So 10. 10 is bigger, so they need to change this become the denominator 10. So times of number equals 10. So times 2, this is also times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And then this one times 2 also. And so also 2/10. So we got 8/10, 2/10, and 3/10. So if already save all the denominator, we can know which one is the biggest fraction. 8, the biggest, and then the smallest is 2.
okay, Miss. Uh, in next week, they also learn about to compare, right? To choose which one is the smallest until to the largest, right? So please explain about that, Miss. Because yeah, for from this example, 2/10 and also 8/10. But the smallest is 2, right? Maybe you can explain this to the student.
So from our book, they also already take the number, the line here. If 2/9, they use the line here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from the number line, we can know if the smallest number is become the smallest fraction, if the biggest number become the biggest fraction. The way that I talked before, they need to change the denominator become same, the biggest denominator.
Okay, Miss, thank you for your explanation. I think that's all for a book, and now we turn to vocabulary list. Okay, Miss, vocabulary list for science. Planetary system.
Because is trying to do something, even if feel, even it is very hard, but we need to try. So they will success.
It is perseverance, Miss.
So it's
Planetary system.
organic system is the star, is the star, group of star on the moon that move around the sun. The planetary system is sun planet or sun star that move around in our solar system.
And then gravity. Okay, Miss. Pardon for our perseverance, Miss.
Perseverance,
Yes.
perseverance is something that very hard when we try to do, but it is very hard. But we want to show that we can do it and then by the end we will be success.
Matematika. Daftar isian.
Berisikan tentang kolam yang penghuninya isinya berisikan tentang informasi ataupun suatu data.
Menyatakan.
Maka dalam menunjukkan menyampaikan sesuatu dengan data ataupun aturan, dia menyampaikan informasi kepada orang lain ataupun menyampaikan data.
Math. One half kilogram.
1 kilogram is half of 1 kilogram is equal of 500 kilograms.
Okay, Miss. Number line.
Number is a straight line that use the short number they order from the left.
From the left. Discounting, Miss? Is it include discounting and percentage?
Percentage. Number, ratio, part out of the 100.
Discounting?
Discounting is averaging number from the biggest to the smallest.
Okay, Miss, thank you, Miss, for your explanation.